Now comes the interesting part of converting these prayogas. Kartari from active to passive, from active to impersonal, back, etc. All those things. So prayoga parivartanam. This is a it's an interesting lesson. So at the end of this lesson, we learn how to convert the prayoga and the steps for conversion. We'll just see few examples. We'll see how much we can go. Before we do the conversion, we have to revise the table. Once again, we will revise the table. There are three prayogas: Kartari, Karmani, Bhave Prayoga. In Kartari Prayoga, the importance is given to the Karta, and Kartrupadam will be in Prathama Vibhakti, Karma Padam will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti, Kriya Padam will follow Kartrupada and will be in Parasmaipadi or Atmanepadi. In Karmani Prayoga, Karma, the importance is given to the Karma Pada. The Kartrupada will be in Tritiya, Karma Pada will be in Prathama Vibhakti, Kriya Pada will follow, will be in Atmanepadi only. In Bhave Prayoga, there is no Karma Pada. Importance is given to Kriya, right? And the Kartrupada is in Tritiya Vibhakti, Karma Pada is not there, and Kriya Pada will be in Atmanepadi only, and Prathama Purusha Ekavachana only. Now, if we go for the conversion, now suppose the sentence has got a Sakarmaka Dhatu. If there is a Karma Pada in a sentence, and the Dhatu is a Sakarmaka Dhatu, then we can convert the sentence from Kartari to Karmani, or back. We can also do back. Suppose if somebody gives the sentence Karmani, gives the sentence in Karmani Prayoga, we can convert it back to Kartari Prayoga. Now that conversion is possible for what kind of sentences? Sentences in which a Sakarmaka Dhatu is there. That means the identification of whether the Dhatu is Sakarmaka or Akarmaka is very important, and the identification of Karmapada is important. If it is a Sakarmaka Dhatu and has got an ability to take the Karmapada, we can convert from Kartari to Karmani or Karmani to Kartari. Now what about Bhave Prayoga, sir? Now if it is an Akarmaka Dhatu, we can convert from Kartari to Bhave or Bhave to Kartari. So actually Kartari Prayoga is one Prayoga where you have, for Sakarmaka Dhatus also you have Kartari, for Akarmaka Dhatus also you have Kartari Prayoga, whereas Karmani Prayoga can exist only for Sakarmaka Dhatu, whereas Bhave Prayoga can exist only for Akarmaka Dhatus. So in a given sentence, if you find that it is having a Karma Pada, we straight away convert. The conversion happens between Kartari to Karmani and Karmani to Kartari, vice versa. The conversion cannot happen from Karmani to Bhave or Bhave to Karmani. Please understand what cannot happen. Now, if the sentence has got an Akarmaka Dhatu, the conversion always happens between Kartari to Bhave and Bhave to Kartari. Now, with this concept, we will get into the conversion. Now, before we get into the conversion, the Kriya Pada forms are very important. So, we should have the te, ite, ante, se, ite, dve, I, vahe, mahe, latlakara pratyas with us written down at the side. Te, ite, ante, se, ite, dve, I, vahe, mahe. So, that particular pratyas have to be written down for Atmanepadi prayogas, because in Karmani and Bhave we get Atmanepadi only. And one of the things aspect in the table that was there was the dhatu will have an yakara along with it. Now in Karmani and Bhave Prayoga, you have the dhatu, you have the yakara and Atmane pada pratyaya. For example, pat dhatu, ya is an agama, it comes in between and sits. Pat te. See, usually Pat dhatu is not an Atmanepadi dhatu. It is a Parasmaipadi dhatu only. But when we do the conversion from Kartari to Karmani, in order to indicate that it is in Karmani Prayoga. We add the yakara in between for some dhatus and some lakaras. We add the yakara and it becomes Atmanepada form. So patyate, pathyate, that is what is the form. Now this yakara comes for 1, 4, 6, 10 ganas and in few lakaras only, which we will learn as and when we learn where it comes and where it will not come, etc. We will learn. But this is how the, in general, the Karmani and Bhave Prayoga is written at the starters level. Likhyate. Now, how does likhyate come? Likhyate. So, saha patram likati, tena patram likhyate. Dhavati, dhavyate. Now, let us take the example now. Khadati, this is an exercise. We shall do this exercise. Now, khadati will become in Karmani and Bhave, what it will become? Karmani. In Karmani, what it will become? Prajna Bhagini? Karmani?
Khadhyate.
Khadyate. Very good. Khadyate. Atati?
Athyate.
Atyate. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Ha. Lata PL? Ha. Charati.
Charati char plus ya plus te, charyate.
Charyate. Dashati.
Dash plus ya plus te, dashyate.
Damsha. Okay. Dashyate. Atmanepadi dhatu. Let us go for the Atmanepadi dhatu. Dhanyavada Bhagini. Sitaram Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
Yatate.
Yatate. Yatyate.
Yat yate yatyate. Tvarate.
Tvaryate.
Tvaryate. Kampate.
Kampyate.
Kampyate. So the in Bhave Prayoga, Karmani, it will become Yatyate, Tvaryate, Kampyate. Kalpate.
Kalpyate.
Kalpyate. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
I want few people to read this. Srinivasan Iyer.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram, sir.
Akaranteshu pa, ma, stha, ga, ha, da, dha, dhatavah, ईकारं प्राप्नुवन्ति.
ईकारं दीर्घ ईकारं
ईकारं प्राप्नुवन्ति.
उदाहरणं
पा ईयते, मा मीयते, स्था स्थीयते इत्यादयः एक्सेट्रा.
ईयते मीयते स्थीयते. मा is to measure, manam. Pa is to drink. Stha is to stand. धन्यवादाः. नागरत्नम.
यदि धातुः ईकारान्तः आकारान्तः
इकारान्तः उकारान्तः
इकारान्तः उकारान्तः वा भवति तर्हि इ उकारयोः दीर्घः भवति. जि जयति जीयते. भू भू भवति भूयते इत्यादयः
धातवः. उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः. रविकिरण झा.
राम राम
राम राम.
यदि धातुः ऋकारान्तः ऋडादेशः भवति.
रिङ्गादेशः. तद् रिङ्गादेशः.
ऋणादेशः.
रिङ् रिङ्.
रिङ्गादेशः.
It is not dakara, it is ringadesh.
करोति क्रियते. भ्रू बिभर्ति भ्रियते. ऋकारान्त धातूनां संयुक्ताक्षरः भवति चेत् गुणः स्यात्. स्मृ स्मरति स्मर्यते. जागृ जागर्ति जागर्यते.
जागर्यते जागर्ति. जागृ धातु is to awake. धन्यवाद महोदय.
धन्यवाद.
रोहन भरद्वाज.
राम 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 सर.
राम राम राम.
यकारान्तः ओकारान्तः धातूनाम् अकारान्तः भवति
आकारः भवति
सारी सर आकारः भवति गौ गायति गीयते
gai will become gayati. Dhatu anta is gai. Now gai becomes gayati in kartari prayoga, whereas in karmani it becomes giyate. So from gayati giyate, like that it becomes. Very good.
yes sir that means it will get converted no sir
Converted.
yes sir
When we do the conversion, we have to remember these tiny rules and remember this.
yes sir
Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः
Usha Chandrasekharan.
सुप्रभातं जी
Hmm.
सम्प्रसारणं यकारस्य इकारः वकारस्य उकारः रेप्यस्य
Repasya.
रेपस्य ऋकारः यजति इज्यते भक्ति उच्यते वयति हूयते पृच्छति पृच्छ्यते.
So Samprasaranam is the opposite of end. In end sandhi, we had this rule. Ikara will become yakara, ukara will become vakara, rikara will become repha. That is end sandhi rule. Now the opposite of end sandhi is Samprasaranam. Now in these dhatus, yajati, yakara is seen. So if you have to reverse the yakara, it becomes ikara. If you have to reverse the vakara, it becomes ukara. Hwayati becomes ha, va, vakara is there, huyate. So pra, you have repha there, it becomes r, prichyate. So ijyate, uchyate, huyate, prichyate are the forms to be used in karmani and bhave, whereas yajati, vakti, hwayati, prichyati will be the forms in kartari. This is what we have to understand. Dhanyavadaha. Tadvai Adarsh.
राम 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 प्रयोगः परिवर्तनम steps for easy conversion of prayoga. Step 1, identify kartrupadam, karmapadam and kriyapadam and the prayoga of the sentence. Step 2, identify the vibhakti vachanas of all shabdas and purusha vachanas of all kriyapadas present in the sentence. Parallelly label them word by word. Convert the respective prayoga word by word using tables.
Okay.
Dhanyawad.
Our friend Tadvai Adarsh quickly read this and it looked very simple. But when we do the actual prayoga, actual sentence, we will understand what are the difficulties we will face. Now, I would request everybody to take a minute and note down these steps. First step is to identify. Second, identify the Kartri Karma Kriya and the Prayoga. Please note down the step in the notebook because you will have to explain me the steps and what is this according to that step what you are doing when we are doing the conversion. The step 2 is to identify the Vibhakti Vachana of all the Shabda and Purusha in the given sentence and parallelly label them as 1.1, 2.1, etc. I will show you one sentence and then we have to convert. The third step is to convert word by word. Remember this, word by word, not the full sentence at a time. Convert word by word. We have to use the table by the side. We have to have the table and then only this conversion can happen. We will do this for one sentence and stop and I will continue in the next class. I will explain it once again in the next class. Now I am having the table on the right side. I hope everybody is have written down their tables in their notebooks. Now the conversion is from Kartari to Karmani. What is the sentence? The sentence is Balaha Patham Patati. This is the sentence. Now what is the first step? The first step is to identify the Kartri Karma Kriya. Now how to identify the Kartri Karma Kriya? In the sentence Balaha Patham Patati, Balaha, the action of doing the reading is the action of reading is being done by Bala. Yaha kriyam karoti saha karta. So Bala is the karta, therefore Bala is the kartrupadam. In the sentence Balaha patham patati, we have to ask the question along with the kartrupada to identify the karmapada. Balaha kim patati, Balaha kim patati iti prashne krite uttaram ayati, patham iti uttaram ayati. So we get the answer patham when we ask the question Balaha kim patati. Therefore, patham, which is a dvitiya vibhakyanta pada, is the karma pada. The next step is pathati. Pathati is the kriya, which we know. Kartrupadam anusarati. Here the kriya is following the kartrupada. So, kartrupadam, karma padam, kriya padam. Step 1 complete. Now, step 2 is to identify the vibhakti vachana of all the words and the prayoga of the given sentence. In this sentence, Balaha is in Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Patham is in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, and Pathati is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Pat Dhatuhu Latlakaraha, Parasmaipadi. Now, since in this sentence, it is a Parasmaipadi Dhatu and it is following the Kartrupada, this given sentence is in Kartari Prayoga. Now, we have to put an arrow mark. You have to follow all these steps when you are doing the conversion in the notebook. You have to put an arrow mark between Kriyapadam and Kartrupadam and indicate that Kriyapadam is following the Kartrupadam. Therefore, this is Kartari Prayoga. This sentence is in Kartari Prayoga. Now, it has a Karma Pada and it is in Kartari Prayoga. Therefore, it has to be converted to Karmani only. It cannot be converted to Bhave because it has a Karma Padam here. Now coming to step 3. Step 3, what does it indicate? Use the table and convert word by word. What is the first word in Balaha Patham Patati? First word is Balaha. Balaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It has to be converted to Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam in Karmani Prayoga. Therefore, Balaha Akarantav Pullinga Bala Shabdaha Balaha Balo Balaha Balam He Bala He Balo He Balaha Balam Balo Balan Balena Balena. Tritiya Ekavachanam means Balena. All these things should run in your mind, and therefore when the word Bala is converted in Karmani Prayoga, it becomes, we have to convert it to Tritiya Ekavachanam and it becomes Balena. Now coming to the second word Patham. Patham is currently in Kartari Prayoga, it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana. It has to be converted to, as per the table, Prathama Vibhakti corresponding Vachana. The Vachana is Ekavachana, therefore we have to convert to Ekavachana only. So the Karma Pada should be in Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana in Karmani Prayoga. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana of Patham is Pathaha. Now comes the most important aspect. Now, since we are doing from Kartari to Karmani, in Karmani Prayoga, the Kriya has to follow the Karma Pada. So therefore, we now put an arrow mark and we say this Kriya which is going to come is going to follow the Karma Pada. So first put the arrow mark before writing the Karma Pada. Now, because if you put the arrow mark, then your Kriya Pada will not go wrong in Karmani Prayoga. Otherwise, there is a chance of making a mistake. Now, if you put the arrow mark, now this arrow mark, this Kriya Pada that we are going to put now, should be, as per the table, should be in Atmanepadi. It should follow the Karma Pada, which is Pataha. It should have an Yakara in between. Now, if we say Pathu Ya, now it is Latlakara. Pathati is in Latlakara. Therefore, this also should be in Latlakara. Atmanepadi, Latlakara, Ekavachana. Which Purusha is something we have to decide. Purusha depends on what is the word it is following. Now it is following Pataha. It is not following Tvam or it is not following Aham. So the Karma Pada is not Tvam, the Tvam Yuam Yuyam, or Karma Pada is not Aham Avam Vayam. Therefore, the Karma Pada is Pataha here. Now, therefore, the Kriya Pada which is following the Karma Pada Pataha should be in Prathama Purusha. Latlakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachana Atmanepadi Pat Dhatu with Yakara in the middle. It is Pathyate and it is in Karmani Prayoga. Now, these are the steps that we should use in conversion of prayogas, and we should follow this very religiously. These steps, initially you will think that what our person is telling so many points. These, if you miss even a single step in what I said, there is a chance of an commitment of an error, which we will see tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.